Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm sharing a simple yet powerful daily habit that could change your life for the better: drinking warm lemon water every morning. You'd be amazed at the benefits this tiny ritual can offer, from boosting your health to improving your mood. We're about to dive into the top 10 reasons why this easy habit deserves a place in your morning routine. So, grab a lemon, and let's get started. First up, boosting your immune system. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C not only helps protect your cells from damage but also enhances the production of white blood cells, your body's first line of defense against infections. When you drink lemon water regularly, you're giving your immune system the extra support it needs, especially during flu season or when you're feeling run down. Plus, the antibacterial properties in lemon can help ward off colds and other illnesses. Number 2. It aids digestion. The natural acidity of lemon juice closely resembles the digestive juices in your stomach. By drinking warm lemon water, you're helping to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which makes it easier for your body to break down food and absorb nutrients more effectively. If you suffer from indigestion, bloating, or even heartburn, this could be a game changer for you. Lemon water also helps keep things moving in your digestive tract, potentially alleviating constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Now, who doesn't want more energy in the morning? That brings us to number 3, increasing energy levels. When you wake up, your body is slightly dehydrated, and even mild dehydration can cause fatigue. Rehydrating with lemon water helps to replenish the fluids lost during the night, giving you a natural energy boost. The combination of water, vitamin C, and potassium found in lemons helps wake up your body's cells, providing sustained energy throughout the day. This way, you can skip the caffeine and still feel refreshed and ready to go. On to number 4, improving skin health. Vitamin C is not just great for your immune system, it's also essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that keeps your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. The antioxidants in lemon water help neutralize free radicals, which can reduce signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Over time, drinking lemon water may even help fade dark spots and give your complexion a natural glow. Hydration also plays a role in keeping your skin clear, as it flushes out toxins that could cause breakouts. Number 5 is all about weight loss support. While lemon water itself isn't a magic weight loss potion, it can definitely help you reach your goals. The pectin fiber in lemons helps you feel full longer, curbing cravings that lead to overeating. Additionally, starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water sets a healthy tone for the rest of the day, encouraging better food choices and hydration. Staying hydrated also boosts your metabolism, which can assist with calorie burning. Number 6. Detoxifying the body. Lemon water acts as a natural diuretic, which means it increases urine production. This helps your body flush out toxins more efficiently. It's also beneficial for supporting your liver, which is the main organ responsible for detoxifying your system. The citric acid in lemons can enhance enzyme function, aiding the liver in eliminating waste. So, if you want a simple way to help your body cleanse itself, warm lemon water is a great choice. Lemon may taste acidic, but once it's in your body, it actually has an alkalizing effect, which is benefit number 7. When metabolized, lemon water can help balance your body's pH levels, reducing acidity and inflammation. This is important because too much acidity can contribute to various health problems, including joint pain, digestive issues, and fatigue. A balanced pH helps maintain optimal health, so you're not just avoiding sickness but thriving. Number 8. Reducing dependency on caffeine. If you're trying to cut back on coffee or other caffeinated beverages, lemon water is a fantastic alternative. It gives you a natural, gentle energy lift without the jitters or afternoon crash that can come from caffeine. Staying hydrated helps your body maintain steady energy levels throughout the day, reducing the temptation to reach for another cup of coffee. And for number 9, it soothes a sore throat. The warm water helps to relax your throat muscles, while the acidity of the lemon has mild antibacterial properties that can reduce the symptoms of a sore throat or even help prevent infections. It's especially helpful if you feel a tickle in your throat coming on or during cold and flu season. Finally, number 10. It enhances mood and mental clarity. Believe it or not, the fresh scent of lemon can help improve your mood and reduce stress. Drinking lemon water also hydrates your brain, which is important for mental clarity and focus. When your body and mind are properly hydrated, you're less likely to feel sluggish or foggy, and more likely to stay sharp and upbeat throughout the day. So there you have it, 10 fantastic reasons to start your day with warm lemon water. It's such a small change, yet the benefits can be truly transformative. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve your skin, or just start the day with more energy, this simple habit is worth a try. Give it a shot and see how your body responds. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips like this, and share this video with someone who could use a little more lemon in their life. See you next time, and stay healthy.